Good morning, good morning. Oh, it is Wacky Wednesday. Let's have a wacky Wednesday. Let's see what the market's going to give us on this fine Wednesday morning. Got US market open here in about 30 seconds. SPY is opening up relatively flat, just above the 50% retracement at previous day range. So nothing too significant here that I'm seeing as of now. Let me get the flow pulled up over here. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Market is open. All right, let's have a day. Let's see what the opening tick was. How did the market open up? All right, let's see. Our opening tick this morning was 263. That is very low. That is very low. Got a little MMK zone of support right here. I mean, you got the resistance zone right above it, and you got the support zone just right here below it. IWM getting a big green candle upside out of the gate. SPY and Q's getting a red candle out of the gate. Vol DQ opened up positive. Vol D opened up slightly negative. VIX trying to push back up a little bit here. Bang, bang, bang. Sha la 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 la. Oh yeah, where's DKNG? So I saw it had some nice overnight pops. Come back under 35. Yeah, it's at 34.30. Nothing too crazy, nothing significant there. We are also live this morning on the YouTube channel and on the X channel. Got a little live stream going. Got the premium Discord live stream over here for live trading, and then just got the live market talk going over on YouTube and X. We should be live over there. Didn't have enough time to really check it after I did it. Let's see if it is working. Over here for live trading, and then oh, it is. Fantastic. Fantastic. It is on YouTube at least. Go check X. It says X that I'm live as well. So we should be good. Let's see what Wacky Wednesday brings upon everybody. Let's pull up a few names here. Go look at Tesla. Tesla back above. Oh, previous day low barely. Is it in a squeeze on any time frame? It is on a 30-minute, it says. It is. Let's go look at NVIDIA. Somebody here? Nope. What's my dog barking at? What's my dog barking at? NVIDIA's still sitting right on this freaking big trend line. Just right around this 180. And look, if you draw a fib from the September low to October high, we're sitting just right here at the midpoint. Daily, just watching this giant potential rising wedge. Underneath 180 on NVIDIA, yeah, I don't think it's gonna be very good. We'll see. AMD still chilling up near these highs. It's putting itself in a little triangle formation. Right between these two zones currently. Let's look at some googly dooglies. Googly doogly. Oh. Why are people shitting their pants this morning on red candles? People need to change their underpants this early. Google's been looking pretty decent. It had a daily bull flag. Wanted to see if it would come back down to like 230 and then rip back upside. Never did. And just absolutely ripping. Did it just make a new all-time high yesterday? Yeah, it did. I think Apple did as well. Yeah, Apple's looking good. Except on the daily as of right now. New highs, a little bit of upper wicks. Spine Q's looking a little weak. 30-minute squeeze, no. 15-minute squeeze, yes. Holding a little bit of support. What is it? Right at 260 area right now. SPY in the bottom zone. IWM actually holding up surprisingly well. It's got an alert on CRM that it backtested 260. IWM holding up better than SPY Qs right out of the gate. Let me see. Nothing significant on the flow that I'm seeing. Ooh, Bishop. What Bishop alerted CCL calls? Oh, shit. TXN, they got crushed on earnings. Swung a 195 call for $145. Now TXN owes me $145. Oh my god. Is OKLO dying? Oh, another freaking nasty morning sell-off on OKLO. That makes 3 days in a row. Monday, nasty sell off in the morning. Tuesday, nasty sell off in the morning. Third day right now, nasty sell off in the morning. Ugh. Look at the daily on OKLO. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Just 3 days. 1, 2, 3. How's the weekly candle look so far? Oh. So weekly 9 is at 119.77 right now. So right around 120 psych level. That is a crazy weekly candle on OKLO. SPY bouncing in the green zone. Back up near the middle. Look, SPY and Q's bouncing. IWM, red candle. Now they're flip-flopping. Look at that. IWM, green candle out of the gate while SPY and Q's were dying. Now, IWM, new low of day, red candles, while SPY and Q's just got a green candle popping back up to the middle of that open. IWM not looking good. See if it gets to move down a little bit lower near this like 245.50, and then get a little bit of a bounce. If it loses that, it's probably going to end up drilling all the way down here to 244. New lows, iDubbbz. Q's and SPY, nothing. IWM, new low, SPY and Q's still holding up. Little flip-flop going on. How much is Bishop up on CCL? Was he able to trim anything this morning? Ooh. Dude, Gladiator crushed ISRG 350%. Freaking insane. That is freaking insane. Insane in the membrane. Poet, what's Poet doing? Look at this nice bounce low on SPY and Q's. Look at this. Look at this. Just a bunch of nothing. Just a bunch of nothing. Bunch of nothing on spying cues. Poet calls green. Poet doing? Poet stick. Oh! Let me go check. Is my poet position green? Yes they are. Whoa, the premiums on Poet are pumping. I'm up 20% on the 2027 leaps. Anyone else see this? Anyone else see this right now on Poet? Yeah. Why am I up 20% on these 2027s? What's going on with these premiums? They're getting spready. If you can get a fill, I mean, that'd be pretty dope. I'm not sure if it'll fill. Volatility candle. I'm gonna send out an alert for that one in the premium Discord. Hold on. Bishop's just he's trimming his Dell. Nice job. Blackberry. Ticker BB. Oh, BB with a little stick. All the meme stocks. What's KSS doing? Nothing. What's GME doing? Nothing. Oh, someone said something about BYND was halted. Oh, is it still halted? Oh, no, it just unhalted. Look. It just unhalted right when I said that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shake that ass not moving like a gypsy. It was halted downside, then got halted upside. Oh, no. Meme stocks go crazy. Meme stocks go crazy. If I can get a dip down closer to 165.2 on QCOM, gonna look to add to some calls and 53 to 52.9 on SMCI. Let me actually set an alert for that, and then I'll set an alert for 165.2 on QCOM. Put Tesla over on this monitor. Tesla's doing nothing. Put NVIDIA on this monitor. Oh, NVIDIA got a nice stick, new high a day. Doesn't want to go under 180. Just chilling. For those that don't know, my AirPods, they're hooked up to the premium Discord. The mic is hooked to the live stream. That way, if I need to toggle off from the live stream to talk to premium, I can do both. Also, premium doesn't have to listen to screaming babies in the background. The live stream might have to on X and YouTube, because this will pick that up. AirPods won't. Yeah, Krispy Kreme D-Nut. That had we were on live stream yesterday and Imp pulled it up and it was getting this little volatility right here above like what was it, like 360 and ripped to 380. After hours, it went over 4 and then it went to 550. That's insane. Nvidia. Nice move on Nvidia. Oh, she's trying. 15-minute popping, 30-minute looking good. The Krispy Kreme ticker name just asking for it. It's a little strange. Apple does not look like it wants to bounce. Apple looks like it wants to cool off. Nvidia looks like it wants to go to 183.2. 183.3. Above that, you're going to get up to this area near where's 185, about right up here. Looking good. Nothing came across the float so far this morning, I don't think. Let me pull it up. Let me refresh it just to be sure. No, nothing significant on the flow this morning. Would you recommend buying Poet Leaps today? I recommend nothing. I do not advise anything. What I will tell you is the other day I sent out a tweet saying that I have Poet Leaps. And the exact position in which I was in. And now they are up 20%. So that's all I can say. That's all I can say. I just shared the position that I'm in. Hey, my DKNG cash secure put that expires in 2 days is up 74% here. Yay. Shout out to the DraftKings Pop. Printing that for a little extra cash on the side. Let me actually go send that out. All right. DKNG CSP plus 73%. Nice little extra cash over here. Let me send that to the Discord. All right, there's your screenshot there. Nice pop on SPY and Qs. Popping back up. SPY held the bottom green zone, and now it's just chilling. Back here in the middle Qs, new high of day. Nvidia also new high of day, looking good. Now we have our 30-minute orb on SPY. It's going to be 672 and 670.45. The 30-minute orb area to keep on watching. Nvidia about to go hit that 183.27 area we were just mentioning. Looking good. META. META with the Ripper. Calls that he sent. Ooh. Nice. There's Nvidia. Hughes getting a huge stick. There's your Mita over previous day high as well. Let's go. Nice job on the calls. Not 250s, 750s on Meta. Moving up nice. Let's go. Well, there is your Nvidia and Meta over previous day high. Still nothing across the flow this morning. Nothing significant has come in. It's your previous day high rejection on Meta and Nvidia. Great target upside. You were in calls. Just a de-risk. Had a really good day yesterday, so I closed the cores. I still like it. Might get back in. But we had a really, really good day yesterday. And I just got tired of looking at that one, just not really do much. So I closed it, and I still like it. I like it above 18. I like it above 18. It keeps rejecting 20, and it keeps coming back to 19 bucks. It's exactly where it's at now. Just stuck right there. So I still do like it. It is consolidating here on the 4-hour chart. Let me pull it up over here. There's my alert set right here. The 18.4. If it starts going down to 8, breaks that, starts going down to 18. I need to start looking for some buys, potential bounces down there. But it's consolidating here on the 4-hour. It's been in a squeeze since last Thursday, and it has not fired. It was downside, everything's saying bearish, but it has not fired down bearish. So it's very interesting if it's either going to continue to hold and then things will flip back up, go neutral, and then if it flips bullish, it fires upside. So will be interesting to watch. Where I just saw someone outside my window. Who's that creeping on my window? Oh, there is someone outside my window. Who the heck's outside my window? Amazon. Amazon delivers packages at 9:59 in the morning. Hell yeah. I think it's my Harry Potter Legos. I'm pretty positive. Pretty positive it's my Harry Potter Legos. It's in an hourly squeeze as well. Has not flipped bullish. Things are still bearish. So just kind of watching this right here. It's just kind of stuck. So we'll see what happens with it. We are still in the orb. Or is this SPY? Completely sideways on SPY. Qs, dump, pump, back to equilibrium. SPY, just more flat. Looks disgusting. Tick's trying to hold the zero line though. IWM's putting in some nice bottom wicks. What's up? It has indeed. I know. Make volatility great again. Why is the VIX at 1840? Why is it not at 2840? Someone said Apple puts. I mean, I think you can make a case for it, just relative weakness, but because it's just chilling down here near these lows. Well, SPY and Qs is getting that bounce. Just has this support that's right down here. So if it gets a little bit more consolidation down here and then gives a break and retest, and potentially Meta. Woo! Let's go. New highs, baby. There we go. There we go. I mean, I still think it looks like we want to still come down. We're just sitting at this support on SPY and IWM. Q's just did a little back test and rejection. SPY looking like it wants to come down, still sideways. Yeah, Vol DQ has been positive all morning. Vol D has been negative all morning. Tick opened up like almost flat. I'm not really too interested in a lot of things just yet. Yeah, yeah. SPY is completely barcoding right now. Nvidia rejecting the 183.3 target upside, previous day high, pulling back just a tad. AMD just got a little ripper candle, new highs. Oh, look, my first piece of flow came in, and it's ticker BYND. Insane. Let me see what this flow. So the flow is on $9 calls for October 24th, but a lot of unusual flow on the ask and the bid. And actually, if you look at the amount of premiums, the bid is actually higher than the ask. So there is more, the value is actually more bearish than bullish on those calls. So you got 1.03 million at the bid, 864,000 at the ask. Googly doogly. IWM just hit that same support again. Still think it looks like it wants to break and get a dollar drop. Let me pull up the options chain on it. Soldier Boy ticker flow. $29 calls for November 21st coming in. Lots of flow. Yeah. Got some puts. Let's see. Fubo is down 5%. Look at that piece of shit. TTD new high. Little pop. Yeah, SPY still completely sideways. Q's not doing too much. Nice red candle here on IWM breaking that level. There you go, iDubbbz. Yeah, go to 245. Go to 245 and then 244.67. And then 244. What is Soldier Boy Ticker doing? That 20. Oh. Doing QQQ. Breaking that equilibrium. BYND. Oh, they halted it again? Oh my god. Jesus. Meme stocks. I saw some people, I mean, they bought a few contracts that were cheap, you know, like freaking $20. And then they went like 1 to 2,000% yesterday. Nothing still looks that decent. Check. Here we go. Here we go. Bring it down. Bring it down. Come on. Come on. Bring it down. A little bit more. Come on. Do something fun. Bring it down. Roll it. Break this spot, SPY. Use IWM. Get it. Next little move down for you. Pivot. Pivot. That's a fat candle on cues. Oh, hey, bring it down, bring it down. Come on. Acceleration. Acceleration. Come on. No bounces, no bounces. That's no fun. Oh, don't do it. Ah. Yeah, 609 on cues. Still the same spot on iDubbbz. SPY briefly made a new low. Previous day's lows at 670 psych level. Yup. What? Bouncy, bouncy. Boo. Boo price action. All right, here's 246 back test on IWM. Yes. Yes, I mean, that's what happens with options trading. They can go up and they can go down. I swear to you, you take swing trades and then they go down 10, 15% like the next day. People start freaking out. They're like, ah, what am I supposed to do? I'm like, it's been one session. It's a swing trade. And you go down 15% and you start questioning your entire reasoning on trading. I don't know. QCOM's getting a nice stick right here on 5 minute. SMCI just hit Monday's low. This is where I am looking. QCOM never got down there. SPY bouncing off opening range low. Q still within opening range. BYND is unhalted. Noodles. I heard the word noodles. What ticker is that? BYND. Watch this thing be at like $10 by Friday. La, 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 la. Da, 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 da. He's short. Get it. Get that short, baby. How do we do? If you go to the trade recap in the Discord, you'll see I posted them in there yesterday for the ones that were managed for the winning trades. So then, if those trades managed yesterday are still green going into today, if it's above my entry price, then hell yeah. There's your 246 back test and rejection on IWM, baby. Come on. Yeah. Peloton, $9 calls, November 21st. Coming in. There you go. Come on now. Nice short, baby. Come on now. Give me new lows. IWM. I, dude, Soldier Boy ticker. They're hammering it. They're hammering the Soldier Boy ticker calls. They love them. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Bring it down, bring it down. Woo! All right, gonna take a little trim skis here on the iDubbbz. All right. Build 196. And 200. I just took another off. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that short, baby. Oh. Oh, he's covering. Sharky's covering because he just made $10,000 in 5 minutes. All right. There's 245 break on IWM. I'm going to cover a little bit more here on these. All right, there we go. There we go. All right. Trimmed more of those IWM 244s here. Bang, bang. How many points you catch on that NQ short? It's like 40, 40? Something. Hell yeah. That was a great back test and rejection for that short. There you go. Let's go. All right, there's Orblo again on Spy. I'm going to move a stop to entry. There you go, IWM. Come on, go get these puts in the money. Get them in the money. Ah! Yeah, getting ready, baby. You can do it. Put your back into it. All right, there we go. I'm going to cover some here. All right. Yeah. 100 was that you said it did? That is 100 points? I mean, every time we do this, you get 100 points. It always happens. All right, I'm out majority of these IWMs here. What the fuck? Let's go. Oh my god, what a short. What a beautiful back test to go short. Come on, get these in the money. Get them in the money. What's that? Someone said, I guess those were put. The IWMs? Yeah, they're put. So 244s. Yeah, if IWM's at 246 and yeah. Oh my god, Sharky, what the fuck? Is that 100 points? Oh, let's fucking go. Are you done? Done for the day? All right. All right. I have runners only on these 244s to see if they go in the money. Beautiful. What a fucking short. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at Bishop taking 0 DTEs on the IWM for 100%. Let's fucking go. Look at that. 100 points. Yeah, let's fucking go. Plus 100% and plus 100 points. Look at that. Options, futures, look at that. Doesn't matter. Gosh, dang. Great job, guys. That was fun. Short side is always more fun. It's always more fun to be short and just watch it freaking just trill like this. Fucking insane. That. Get him in the fucking money. Get him in the fucking money. Come on now. Get him in the money. Get him in the money. Oh my god, your cues. Ooh, SMCI's at 52. Let's fucking go. Where's QCOM? Oh, QCOM's still sitting in the same spot. Yeah. I'd imagine we should bounce here on cues. Spy. Yeah. We should see some kind of little relief bounce. I did take my ad on SMCI. Got a stop moved up on iDubbbz. Dude, I still have my gap calls. They're still green and haven't stopped me out the rest. Let's go. Nice. NDLS noodles. Well, took my ad on SMCI. I'm overall red right now, but the green on IWM just countered that loss as of right now. So we're looking nice. Bullish on noodles. All right, come on. 20-cent drop right here on IWM. Get these 244s in the money. Come on. You can do it. Put your back into it. Let's go. Get them in the money. Come on now. You're so close. Just wick down before you bounce it off the freaking support area across the board. Just a little bit lower. Monday's low, but you're right at 244. You know you want to do it. You know you want to do it, IWM. Come on. Come on, baby. Just gotta talk to it. Just gotta talk to it. Here we go. Come on. Just be a good girl and get in the money here. Come on, you're so close. You're almost there. Dadgummit! Look at this wick across the board. Don't bounce it. Yeah, I mean, QQQ literally just hit. I have 606.68, and it just wicked right below it. SPY just hit Thursday, October 16 high and bounced at that support. IWM's around like 244. I mean, it literally came within fucking 12 cents. I mean, can't be too upset. I just like saying the words in the money. It goes in the money. Cheekies in the Discord up $5,000 on the day? Damn, son. That's a good day. You went heavy on the puts. Let's go. Great work. Love to see it. Beautiful job. Ooh, IWM put $760. Let's go. Great work. Come on, iDubbbz. It is, except for SMCI that it's like still dying. Here we go. We're almost there. Let me say the words. Let me say the magical words. Let me say the magical words. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. BYND, that didn't hold again. It's still just chilling. Come on. Come on. New low. There it is. Come on. It sends away. Let me say it. Let me say it. All right. 7 cents. Just freaking do it. 4 cents. Oh, and I knew 5 minute candle just starts. Dadgummit. Go on. Don't do it. 2 cents away. Watch them just go rip it right now. All right. Let's go. This was fun. Oh, yeah. The one from yesterday. Come on. Oh my god, they stopped it at a penny. Just ah. IWM 244 puts in the money. Yes. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. It was. It was the reason why I decided to go short that over SPY and Qs. Let's go. All right. There we go, baby. In the money. Great job. Just sent the alert for iDubbbz. Let's go. There we go. Oh my god. Are you going to catch 200 points? No. What was it, like 150 points? IWM still drilling, baby. Oh. Think you still want to go lower there, Shark. Let the free runners ride. What a great dump. Let's go. Drill it. Drill it. Drill it, baby. Drill it. Oh! Dump it! Dump it! Yes, sir! Alright. I think it's time for me to close it up. Oopsies. Hit the wrong button. There we go. Hey, nice job, King Faces. Getting back green. Let's go, $200. There you go. Doesn't matter how you start the morning, babies. How you finish it. Let's go. All right. I think, where are we at? This is getting a little brazy. Yo, QCOM, I'm down 6%. People that were shitting their pants this morning when you were down like 15%, look, if you would have added, you'd be green. I didn't need to add because I didn't feel no need to do anything there. I'm thinking about closing the IWM runner here, though. This was fun. Well, Sharky's out of his short, so I can't celebrate by myself anymore. Da-da. There it goes, son. Just fucking deep dump it. She keeps bleeding. She keeps bleeding money. Oh. My God. QCOM new highs. Yay. Yeah, my QCOM just about hit entry. Let's fucking go. Micron MU. Let's see. I mean, it kind of dumped along with the short that we took. Let me see. It just hit the daily 9. And, I mean, the weekly has been on absolute tear. Nice little spinning top. Filled the gap downside. Just came back down to retest big support from earlier in October. So since Monday, it's been a good short, but it just hit big support. Someone asked me what I was looking at on QCOM is ripping, by the way. For IWM, it was holding pre-market low, which lined up with previous day low. The support area was around 245.60, and then the lower high rejection back test was 246. So someone asked that. I forgot who it was, but so pre-market and previous day low break 246 back test rejection intraday lower high entry before lower low made next. You just got a nice bounce. IWM, no SPY, a little bit. QCOM just went green. Yay. Look at Q's is ripping off that. I mean, SPY's can is a little balanced. Look at IWM though. Nothing. Oh, IWM just keep making new lows. Oh, give me new lows, iDubbbz. Just keep dumping. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, choo choo train. How much did Bishop get on his IWMs as well? He took 0 days, 270%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Mm-hmm. Go short it. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a card like it's your birthday. Yeah, meta's getting meta's getting a good bounce right there. Spy 30-minute orb is like it's another dollar higher. Yeah, meta's getting a good. What's Nvidia and Tessie doing after that? Man, that Nvidia off previous day high, that rejection, freaking sold it straight back down, new lows. Tessie's BYND puts coming in. Oh shit. Tessie set up a good 15-minute reversal there off that low at 434. It's already cruising back to 437. Look at all those lower wicks on Tesla 5-minute as well. Ripper on Meta. Q should be getting a fat stick. Let's see what happens on the back test here. It's not a bad spot to look for a short. Going for the short. Ooh. Hop into the 21, and here's equilibrium on Q's. Be interesting to see what happens here if they reclaim or reject. Send this thing out real quick. Maybe triple team the shit out of that one. I'm putting together a post right now. Oh, who said that on X? Great work. Great work, squad. Break squad. QCOM is popping up. Baby, what is you doing? She said, hold my beer. She said, hold my beer. Hold my beer. Someone said QCOM trim. I mean, that's up to you, baby. I mean, she'll trade, daddy. She'll trade. Where are those contracts at? They up a little bit. I mean, bottle full of poop. All right, let's see what happens here on the SPY and Qs. This will be the interesting spot. Full of poop. Does look strong. That she does. Look strong. All right, QCOM. I mean, if you break 170 today, might hear a hard thud underneath my desk. I like it for the short here, at least for a scout. Back test after that pop. Get a little bit. There it is. There it is. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Oh. What was that? Like a little quick 20, 30 points? 20 points? Yeah. I was going to say, at least for the scalp on that back test right there. I mean, it's worth it to try it. Mm-hmm. God, NVIDIA's fighting for its life to not go underneath 180 again. What is today, the 22nd? There you go. Nice short. Nice short. Extra little gains on top of the huge dumperoni from this morning. Be fucking insane if we just go back down and hit equal lows after this. Watch out. I say that right now live on stream and watch it fucking happen. Just sell all the way back down. Got my mini golden doodles going insane. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, dude. What a freaking gosh dang it. Fucking fire, dude. I was just joking when I said come back down and test the equal low. Damn. There you go. Give him 50 points. Someone on the X live stream asked if I'm doing futures today. No, I'm not trading futures. I'm trading options right now, but in my AirPods, if you're on the YouTuber X stream, I am talking to my futures analyst, Sharknado, in there, who is absolutely crushing it on the live stream right now. That's who is trading the futures. SMCI new low coming back down to previous week low and trend line near 51. IWM back underneath 244. Looking a little bit weaker still. Hitting that level perfectly. Hit that order block perfectly. Underneath that, 242.50. That's what I'm saying. Like, I was just joking, but realistically, I don't know. I think we can go a little bit lower still. Those are Microsoft 530s. Microsoft with relative strength this morning. There's some flow on 530 calls for 1024. Have been coming in. 518,000 at the ask, 250,000 at the bid. Here's your lower low. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, lower high rejection. Going lower. Let's fucking go. Dump it for him. What is SMCI doing? Oh, look at that. I said that. Right, that was right when. Look, yeah, look at it dumping. Look at SMCI. Dead. Look at SMC, because I just got an alert that it was selling off. Oh my god. Oh, nice job, Dawes. Almost 100%. Let's go. Almost 100% on the puts. Nice. Tesla just back tested the 21, rejecting, coming back down to equal lows, and the video is right at 180 psych level. SPY was about a damn near perfect 30-minute orb. Here, yeah, let me see if I can change the stream to this one right here. Yeah. Look at me, that was. It missed it by like pennies. I'm about to put the chart right here in the chat. Here. There's your 30-minute. Close enough. Yeah, I mean, close enough. Yeah. Ooh. If the stop hit. I haven't checked it. I'll check it in just a second. I'm messing with this thing real quick. I'm trying to figure out why this thing's not working. There we go. Now it's working. We're good. I was just joking. Dude, that's freaking hilarious. Its funny part is that this is recorded too, from where I said when you took the short, I was like, let's just go down and hit those equal lows. And I was like, well, I'm saying it live on stream as a joke and watch it actually happen. And then lo and fucking behold, we might actually go do this. Holy shit. Dude, it's gonna be back-to-back 100 points. What the fuck? Oh, did it really? No fucking way. Dude, I'm gonna clip that later. No fucking way. Oh, that's hilarious. Look at this. I'm gonna put the chart right here in the chat. Look. This shows the or back test where Sharky went short. We were like, there's back test the 21, VWAP in equilibrium. The or like look at that. Oh my god. That's incredible. That's freaking hilarious. Just make new lows of day. Jesus. Oh, new lows across the board. Oh, draining. Did you leave a runner this time? Oh, I just heard it. I just heard it say order filled. Oh my god. Dude, yeah, that was good. Nice job. Are you done for the day now? I'm gonna get a triple. A triple? Yeah. Let's go for it. Oh, dude, that's hilarious. Oh my god. See if they bounce it here. Briefly new low. God. Gosh dang, what a freaking what a candle. Alright, IWM briefly new low. Again, still if it goes lower, at 242, like 242.55, 242, 241.50, 241. I'd expect at least a little bit of a bounce right here again. God, new lows. That was fucking hilarious. Oh my god. I mean, what Monday's low is 603.75. Check IWM. Yeah. Nice. Dun, 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 Dude, this is fucking insane. Oh my god. Alright, my stop hit on SMCI. Yeah. Oh, we could see a little bit lower. You want to try along? Cause she's a brick. Ow. She's my tomato. Cause she's a brick. Alright. No position on IWM puts now. No position on SMCI calls now. Now time to sit back, relax, and see what this market does from here. Nvidia bringing it down. She's my tomato. She's my tomato. See if it goes down just a little bit lower before they bounce it here. Oh, you didn't take the loan? Oh, I thought you did. It's like you're getting a nice little bounce right there so far. That was a 50-point bounce on NQ? Damn. Oh. Ooh. I like that, JT. Said the Spy Daily right now setting up an evening star. That means we swinging puts overnight. Oh, what's up, Liv? My YouTube manager. Yes, please do like and subscribe to the YouTube stream. The gap below on Spy. Yep. Someone actually who just sent that chart? King Faces did. Got that fat gap below on SPX down to what? It's underneath 66.70. So another 30 lower. I mean, we could see 603 later on Qs. See another little $2 drop down. Monte. Oh. I think my mouse is dying. Oh no, not my mouse dying. Oh wait, no, it's good. There we go. No, it's not dying. It's just being stupid. I mean, it is almost noon. The $2 calls for 1121 has repeated flow on ticker SABR. Bobby. That thing is ripping. Someone bought 15,000 contracts at 35 cents for 525,000. Interesting. Testing. Oh, he did the diddly. He did it. Ah. What's going on with BYND? Oh! No, the puts that you were talking about, the $5 puts on BY, they're in the money. It's going for $4. Holy shit. Watch it go all the way back down to $1. Oh, never trade bull. I swear to God, if this long rips up and goes 100 points and goes back to retest the 30-minute orb, I swear to God. I swear to God. Q's rips over $2 from this spot. Order working. Is BYND halted to the downside? There's a giant red candle just frozen on my screen at 379. What's that 1.18 billion volume on BYND? I think it is halted. Tesla's still just chilling. Nvidia's still weak though. Just lower highs and lower lows. Dude, watch there be a bunch of panic selling on BYND. Oh my god. How many points? Nice. Hey, even just for a scout, 50 points. There you go. Still 3 for 3. Got BYND. What are you doing? Just gonna die. Oh, here's the 5-minute 9. We're breaking up. Oh, I swear to God. I swear. There's no way this is gonna happen. There's no way. There's no freaking way that's gonna happen. No freaking way. TGT got that breakout, so looking decent. Oh my God. Dude, it's like halfway there. SMCI bounced right off daily trend line. Uh-oh, Everly's pissed. She's yelling at something. BYND unhalted? Yeah, it's open again. Oh my God, QQQ. There's freaking no way. Give him 100 points, 3 for 3. Where do you check repeated order flow? I use Bullflow. If you go to the link in my bio, there should be one there for Bullflow. Oh my god. Dude. That's is that 70 points? Ah, he needs 30 more. This is so stupid. Watch it fucking happen. The trend line is right up here near 607 area on QQQ for the lower highs. That's insane. I hope it gets there. There's trend line coming up here. Holy shit. BYND halted again. Oh my god, I heard it. What do you need for 100 points? Okay. Yeah, if it gets closer to 608, QQQ pops up into the 60, 70 cents, you're gonna get it. SMCI, good bounce off that freaking daily trend line. So far. Right off of 50. Like almost to the penny. It bounces back up and reclaims 53. That can be a very good sign. Trend line hit on Qs right there, and the 5-minute 21 is also right there. If it breaks over this spot, you'll get it. But if they wanted to short it again, This would be the spot where you could see the rejection. Mm-hmm. BYND back unhalted. QCOM going back for the highs. I think it did break under. It did break underneath, and now it's just reclaiming. Yeah. Mark 50 there. Yeah. Goodness. All right. Bam, chicka, bam, bam. Let's see if they keep the trend going down for the low, or if they're going to bounce it here for the higher low and push it up. But I think if this low does get taken, we'll see that 603 on ZQs. Look at Walmart. Kind of hold up the entire market right now. Where's VIX? God, VIX has had some crazy back and forth. Valdi still selling. ValDQ is positive. Tick just went overextended to the downside for the second time today. So you could see that little bouncy bounce. Don't look good. FCX. I think gonna squeeze to the downside. 4 hour looks weak here. Break of structure. You got support down to 40 bucks. I don't know. Yeah, I think if it pulls the weekly squeeze worked out and fired upside in June, and now it's moving to the downside now. It's underneath equilibrium. A lot of things looking bearish. Monthly is completely sideways, but it broke structure on a lot of charts. That's the main thing right here. What? I'm glad mine's not connected to Alexa or Amazon. Well, it's noon. I don't know, that back test for the other short still looking good, but just needs a little bit more time right here. See what she go do. Act a fool. Ooh, Bishop took a lotto on IBM. Ooh. Oh no, I just lost $140 on a PXN lotto for earnings. I'm not sure if I want to do another one, let alone IBM. Me and IBM don't like each other. Someone said, look at Oracle. What's it doing? Chilling near the lows. Near the bottom of my zone. Still would like Oracle to go lower. Dude, look at the gap fill on Oracle. Freaking going to be glorious. Dude, I'm telling you, don't trade bull. Don't trade the meme stocks. If you do, just lotto size it. To where if you put a couple $100 in it, and you lose a couple $100, worst case scenario, if it, whole full position to fucking nothing. But if it rips a couple 100%, and, you make 2 to 20x, then it's worth the lotto. All right, there's the bottom of that little box on Q's. Long. Let's go. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can. Oh shit! Excuse me. I don't know if I can open up another trade right here during lunchtime, but my bad. I know I probably made like 50 people yawn on the live stream. My bad. God, if Oracle breaks this, bye bye. Let's go. Hell yeah. I heard that screenshot. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. This huge freaking gap fill on Oracle. That's disgusting. I mean, it looks like. Jesus, turn that off. It looks like. Have to break this. But right now it's just lower highs and lower lows. It's the kind of channel that it's just in just since Monday. just consolidating right down here, right on it. And rejecting the 30-minute orb right above it. They trying to hold it still? Yeah. If it bounces right there, Dawes, that will form the inverse that I was talking about. So I was saying, if it comes back down and hits that low from the 1045, and then that big reaction earlier where Truckee hit that long and it ripped up here, hit the trend line, pulls back down right here, hits that matching low, puts in a higher low off that dip prior, it could be a good buy spot. And if they do, it's going to form that inverse. When it comes back up to that 21 and that trend line, if it starts to break over top of that, I think that's going to give that push on Qs to 608. So, potential. It is fighting the overall trend for the day because the trend as of right now is lower highs, lower lows, and that has been respected. Now we're just in an iffy area because we just made that lower low over here. We just made that lower high, and now we just came back down to that little midpoint right here. So it's either bounce and validate the trend and catch an inverse for a reversal intraday, or it's just a quick stall right here before it breaks down, makes the lower low. And if it does, you're going to probably see that 604 break down to 603 on Qs. Yup. You're We shall see. What's hymns? That's what I wanted to see. Almost down there yet? I said it could see 46.45 and then potentially down to 41.40 again. It's looking like it wants to do it. Bust it down, bust it. New lows IWM. Sheesh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I dumps. That's the one thing I did right today. God. What a freaking dump. Right there. That was. Here. Here. Yeah, new lows. Bust it down. Thought of y'all. Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down. Oh, yeah, yeah. don't know. Someone said that last week too on live stream, and I had to mention it because I've never heard it before. I'm not sure if it's the same person or you're just seeing the same thing that they see as well. But apparently, I look like Gordon Freeman from Half Life, and I had to look it up, and it's fairly accurate. Here we go. Let's see. IWM hit 242.50. See if he goes down 242. Not a new low on SPY. Let me see Qs. Not a new low on Qs yet either. Just IDubs. Not IWM. They ain't bouncing nothing. Oh, I'm hungry. Want some food. I need to refuel. Let's go look at a few things real quick. Microsoft is still trying to hold in, but it kind of looks like a head and shoulders up at the top. But it's freaking trying to hold up. Yeah. Microsoft about to dump it. AMD, a massive disappointment. Looking terrible. Tesla, I mean, completely disgusting chart. Meta at previous day low, just basing. Google pulling back some. Dun, dun, TSM doing? What is the Soldier Boy ticker doing? Holding up a little bit. You. 4 U's. You. So it's the Soldier Boy ticker. That back test right there with 1880 on you was fucking solid. $460 on IWM puts on the 21 back test. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, that 21 EMA back test was perfect. SPY, and the trend line across the board. So for IWM, it's right here. Beautiful. Go to QQQ. Get this out of the way. Already got it circled right there. Beautiful. Go to SPY. It's going to line up similar to Q's where that trend line is. It should auto-populate. Boom, right there. Right here. Beautiful. I mean, it was just... They're still respecting it. That is a lower low on SPY. So it's still lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower low. See if they bounce it here. I mean, but... Yeah, previous month low right there. On SPY. Whoa, TTD just got a stick. Sticky with the blicky. That's a good back test of Monday's high. And bounce. Daily still looks like a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. 4 hour. Gonna be a nice little flag right here. Am I gonna take TTD again? Can I take the same calls again? The 60s, November 21st at 300. Should I take them again? Probably not right now during lunchtime, but can be a nice potential swing to get back into. J&J having a good day. Lots of red flags with Carvana, CVNA still short the stock. What? What kind of headlines that coming out of there? Holy shit, Carvana. That's not a good day. But I just saw a commercial last night with Shaquille O'Neal and Carvana, and I thought it was really good. Apparently. Never been on live television before. MARA. Puts. Hopefully. It's not looking good. Yeah. No bueno. About CLSK. Oh, Clean Spark. Another one. Yucky. Yucky. Shit, I still think they could go lower. Clean Spark break 1640. Bring it down to $14. If you want a good laugh, look at BYND's chart for today. What's it doing? Oh, is it still going lower? Oh! 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 What the fuck? Holy shit! Dude, where's IWM? No fucking way. Oh my god. Ah! Holy shit. What's the news? Yeah, that's news. Yeah, that's fucking news. Holy shit. Holy shit. Em just said tariffs on software. Dang, look at that 241 right there on fucking IWM. Oh, look at Garden just posted in the Profits channel. IWM today. Look at that. Nice job. Great work. Let's fucking go. Great work. Trump administration considering plan to restrict globally produced exports to China made with or containing US software. Trump tweet. Let's go. Damn, son. Oh, that's freaking hilarious. Let's go. Spy just hit six. Oh, that was a long spot on my chart for Spy. That's the back test of that trend line from last week. Going into this week's session, the 4 hour. The level was down there at 664. That's a bounce play right there. Yeah. I know. You're going short? I don't know. This looks kind of crazy. Yeah, I wish I would have had that pulled up. I would have absolutely tried a fucking long right there. I just looked over at the IWM chart and I was like, oh, Jesus. And just trying to figure out what the news was. I didn't even look to see where SPY went. I don't know. This is wild. Yeah, I made sure I positioned my desk on the wall that there's two windows in my office where I let the natural light in, but it's behind all of my monitors. So it lights up the room, but I will never get any glare um, coming in. And then the sun rises in the like front right corner of my house, um, and it misses my front windows just barely. So it's like perfect setup. Dip and rip. I don't know. This is brazy. This is I'm not doing shit right now because most likely another headline's about to come out. Buzzy down, buzzy down, buzzy down. Oh yeah, yeah. BYND is just dying. Is it halted again to the downside? God, look at the daily candle right now in BYND. That's stupid. That is dumb. Mm-hmm. Yep. Let me go look at the internals because I bet that went crazy. Oh yeah. Vol D freaking hey, it went Vol DQ went negative. Look at the tick. Tick went like minus 1500. Oh. are Tesla calls coming in right now? Someone just bought $750,000 worth of Tesla, 472.5 calls for 1024 expiration. They bought 1,900 contracts at 390. What the hell? Oh. Well, Tesla has earnings after hours, right? I think it's today after hours. They should have earnings. Rip, dip and rip. And chop. What? I ain't doing shit. I'm about to go get some lunch. Oh my goodness, BYND. It's in the twos again. Can I get some like lotto puts on this thing? If earlier they were at $1, they're at 240 now. I was looking at the stupid. Are we rejecting? Yeah, rejecting the 9 on SPY. All right. Well, nice shorts for the day overall. Took the IWMs. Let me pull it up over here. Took the IWMs this morning in the Premium Discord. That's the only new day trade that I took was IWM 244 puts. Oh Jesus. Bishop's runners are up 700%. The 244s from Monday that I was in, I closed those ones. They just hit like 125%, but that was a great short. They went in the money. That's about it. It's the only thing that I did intraday here for day trades in the Premium Discord. Nothing else. So figured I'd just live stream some charts while I'm live trading and live streaming over here in the Premium Discord. Just throw some charts up over here on the YouTube channel and on X. You guys can just listen to a little bit of the live commentary. But I sent the post out. If you go to my X profile, you'll see the screenshots earlier from this morning at 10:08. Took the IWM 244s, 1027 expiration at 178 for a day trade, so smaller size than my swing trades. Can add on those pops at the 246. Popped up to 246, went to 170, slightly cheaper entry, and then end up getting the full push and move downside straight to target, and then they went in the money for well over $100 per contract gain during that time. Bishop, one of the alert analysts as well in the premium Discord, alerted IW inputs but zero DTEs. They're currently just hit 700%, but he was up 270 on the zero DTEs. So if you go to my X profile, you'll see those screenshots there for where I took those over here on the premium Discord stream. And then Sharky, the futures analyst, caught both of those shorts on Qs. He'd shorted Qs when I went short IWM, caught the move down. On the pop back up, he took it again and caught another 100 points. 2 back-to-back 100-point trades. And then he caught 75 or 80 points on the long and then got stopped on the rest and then didn't flip short after that. Almost had 3 100% or 100-point trades on NQ this morning. Absolutely fucking incredible. That was fun. So figured I'm still here. I am about to head to lunch though. But I figured I'd just live stream some charts over on the YouTube and X side for the morning. Gonna do the pre-bell breakdown show tomorrow morning. Not even sure how many people are actually tuned into this live stream right now. Circle dead. Looks like a lot of things are dead. Circle was having that crazy flow yesterday. A lot of people were just posting the calls on those 385s. There was sells too. I pulled it up when we were on the live stream with Wolf Financial yesterday, and I was like, everyone just keeps talking about these calls on Circle. I was like, there's also sells as well. You can't even see Circle right now. I'm looking at a freaking different chart. That's my bad. But I'll pull it up over here. Go to Circle, go to the daily. And it broke structure. Back test, rejection. Right there. And coming back down to this area of support near like 123. Underneath 123 looks disgusting. So looked like this was a great short opportunity here. This was Monday. Monday back test rejection. I think it was a great short come back down at least to the equal lows, and now here it is. So nothing here. I think it was a great short, and it is coming down to support. I think this is where area people would be taking profits if they were short here. So shall see. But Trump's tweeting, trend is downside. It's looking good for shorts. So again, I'm not even sure how many people actually tuned into the YouTube, and this is the first time I'm doing it, doing the live stream like in the morning, in the afternoon, while I'm over here live trading and live streaming over in the Discord on one computer and everything, and just sharing another one with you guys here. So if you did tune in today, I appreciate it. If you're on the YouTube side, please make sure you do like and subscribe to the channel. About to hit 2K subs. Would greatly appreciate it. Over on X, make sure you do like the stream. Would also greatly appreciate that. There's 2,300 people right now watching the live stream. So, I mean, I appreciate you guys just hanging out, watching me click through a bunch of nonsense today, and then Trump dropping the ball. So SPY, I think SPX filled the gap. Yeah. So we filled the gap and it hit daily 21. This is an evening star setup. A little bit lower high. Evening star right here. Higher lows right here. I mean, so whoopsies. So this will be interesting, and then obviously you'll see the spot right here, just like right across the middle right there. Let me actually download this and Send that out. So gaps been filled on SPY and QQQ. You have higher lows on the daily, lower high set in, potential evening star at the top, which is a bearish candlestick pattern. If you do end up getting a daily close back down here underneath 6660 area on SPX, I think you could see some farther downside. If they continue to hold it right here and invalidate this, and we'll probably push back up and go test some of these equal highs up, 6750 area. So it just needs a little bit more time. But here it is kind of overall on the hourly. Here's that area of support right down here on SPY and SPX. And that's where it's wicking off of. So that's why I said when I was over looking at IWM and I saw that I had a level on SPY, I was like, shit, that's where I would have longed. This is SPX side. This is how it looks and how it kind of matched up there. So, but as of right now, trend's been downside, short the pop, short the 21 EMA back test. Rejections have been working. Just boom, 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 3 times so far. And then that crazy freaking news candle right there. So appreciate the 2,300 people over here on the YouTube side and on the X side who just kind of hung out for the day. I'm going to close up this stream over here. I'm going to go ahead to lunch. Going to leave the stream over here going in the premium Discord and then jump back over there for the part of the afternoon session and see if I can get a few more trades in before the close, see where things are at. See if we can make some money on this wacky Wednesday going into Thirsty Thursday tomorrow. So I might be able to jump in on the Wolf live stream YouTube channel if they're running it later. So I might be over there as well, but for the time being, just hanging out over here on the premium Discord side. Casey's master class helped me play both sides. Good day today. It's taking a hit, but that's healthy. Nice job. Love to freaking see that. Yeah. I'm teaching my next mastermind class this Saturday. Got a few more days to sign up for it. So absolutely love that. Great work. Absolutely love that. I love when people take the mastermind class and then they just, after learning, they go take their own trades and they're here in the Discord, hanging out in the trading community, and they're like, yeah, I was able to make money both ways today just from those things that I learned in the mastermind class. So love to freaking see that. Teaching the next round of mastermind class students this Saturday. So if you want to register for the mastermind class, there should be a link up on the screen. Takes you to my store. That's where everything is at for, let me see. It should be this one right here. Let me see. Is it this one? There we go. How do I move this? How do I move it? Can I move it? I don't think I can. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. All right, that should be it right there. Yeah. So you should have the link up there. That'll take you to my store. The same place for where I'm at for the premium Discord where I live stream, live trade every day. There should be one for the mastermind class on there. It has the details for it for this Saturday from 8:30 a.m. Eastern to 12:30. So it's a one-time 4-hour class. I teach everything from start to finish with a blank chart, nothing on there, and then ending with my full strategies and chart setups and everything that I use every single day to trade. So excited to teach that next class. It's my favorite thing to freaking do is to teach that class. I get amazing feedback every single time from that mastermind class. So super excited to go ahead and teach the next round of traders. So use code KC30 and it takes 30% off the mastermind class. So if you're registering and signing up for it right now, don't hit the button to check out. Apply the coupon code, the discount code at the top, and use code KC30, KC30. And it'll take 30% off the mastermind registration, and then it's going to be taught live in the Discord. And then if you cannot attend it this Saturday, that's perfectly fine because it's going to be recorded. So Going to be sending the recording out on Sunday after I teach the class on this Saturday. And then you have it from now until forever to watch that recording. You also get to attend all the other future mastermind classes that I teach. So it's the same material. I teach the same thing every single time to new students. But as time goes on, if you need a refresher on something, you want to come in and ask questions, because I do live Q&A during that time as well, you're going to have that mastermind Discord role. You get to tune in every single month. I try to teach this on the last Saturday of every month. If I'm teaching it again in September, December, or January rolls around, if you see that I'm teaching this mastermind class again, you're still going to have that access to come tune in and hang out for a few hours, watch me teach again, get a refresher maybe on a topic, if it's, about risk management or supply and demand zones, support resistance, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, whatever it is. Or if you have questions to ask, you can come in and ask questions during that time as well. So it's a one-time thing. You don't have to freaking keep signing up or paying for over and over again. It's nothing like that. It's a one-time freaking one and done deal. That's it. So, all right, I'm closing up this stream again. There's like 2,300 people who tuned in on the X and YouTube live stream combined. Majority of you guys over here on X, appreciate and love you all. I hope you have an amazing rest of